How can I create a TikTok live wallpaper with sound?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into a fun and creative process, turning your favorite TikTok videos into live wallpapers with sound for your smartphone. It's simpler than you might think, and the result is going to be fantastic. Remember, this process might differ slightly depending on your device and the apps available for your operating system.
What will you need?
First things first, let's go through what you'll need for this process. 1. Your smartphone. Android or iPhone, both work. 2. A TikTok video. Choose your favorite one. 3. A video to live wallpaper converter app. There are several apps available in your respective app store. Look for one that supports sound. 4. A sound recording app, in case your live wallpaper app doesn't support sound.
How to save the TikTok video.
Next, you need to save the TikTok video you want to use. To do this, 1. Open the TikTok app and find the video you want to use. 2. Tap the share button and then tap Save Video. Now, the video will be saved to your device's gallery or camera roll.
How to convert the video into a live wallpaper.
Once you have the video saved, it's time to convert it into a live wallpaper. Here's how. 1. Open the video to live wallpaper converter app you've downloaded. 2. Select the video you've just saved from your gallery. 3. Follow the app's instructions to convert and set the video as your live wallpaper.
What about the sound?
Unfortunately, most live wallpaper apps don't support sound. But don't worry, we've got a workaround for this. 1. Use a sound recording app to record the sound from the TikTok video. Most smartphones come with a built-in sound recorder, but if yours doesn't, you can download one from your app store. 2. Set the recorded sound as your ringtone or notification sound. You can usually do this in the settings menu of your device. And there you have it. With these steps, you've now transformed your favorite TikTok video into a live wallpaper with sound. It's a fun way to personalize your device and keep your favorite TikTok moments close at hand. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy customizing, and until next time, stay tech savvy.